Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve no internet connection on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve no internet connection on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.